There's nothing more annoying than the beep from the fridge when the door doesn't close properly. It might pay to check the wear on the bearing at the bottom of the fridge door. If there's an adjustment, I couldn't find it, so this is my temporary fix. I jammed the door up using whatever I could find, and then used a cable tie around the bottom of the door pivot. It's usually the bottom of the door that hits the opening, and so by putting this spacer in, it can lift it sufficiently clear to help the situation. I used a bit of olive oil spray to lubricate the new bearing surface and make it shut smoothly.